in India, we call hello as Namaste. So, Namaste to all of you. I am Aryan, a second year mass communication student from India, and along with my studies, I have been practicing and learning filmmaking from last 4 years. So, being a filmmaker, I would like to present my PPT in a story form, because we all know how story impact our mind. Like, we remember stories for longer time instead of the facts and data. This is a story of a boy from India who was born in a very small village in India, the village which is even not visible in the Google map. I cannot find my village in the Google map, honestly. Then that boy moves to city for education, and belonging from a middle class family, we people don't have so much exposure for extracurricular activities like dance, filmmaking, songs, etc. We are just forced to study, and we become doctor, engineer, and stuffs like that. I am the first person in my whole community, my whole family, my ancestors to travel across the international border. And it's really a proud moment for all of us, my family, my friends, everyone. Yeah, when I moved to city, something very interesting happened in my life. I got to know about Kilkari. It's an organization in Bihar which works with extracurricular activities for the socially backward classes, community and students. And I just got enrolled into the Kilkari, and I started learning theatre. And after doing theatre for 2 years, I switched my interest into filmmaking, and I started capturing the stories, the untold stories which the world needs to know. These are some of the pictures while shooting in the villages, in the towns, and I would like to share that I have even worked with UNICEF India. A new thing happened in my life. I got to know about Diksha Foundation. I got to know about Access Program. Access Program is an English Access Micro Scholarship Program funded by US Department of State for the students. And I learned about cultural exchange programs from that program. I started preparing for a program which is called CCIP. But unfortunately, I was not eligible for that program and my application was not considered. But we know when one door shuts, another opens. And that another door was Global ULAT program. I kept on searching for such programs, and I found Global ULAT program, and I applied for it, and I got selected. And yes, we have a huge population. Honestly, it's a huge population. And you know what is the benefit of a huge population? We have to be so active. Like, if I'm sleeping, someone else is going to take my place. So we have to be so active, we have to work really hard. So Chhath Puja is a festival from my own state, Bihar, and it's not just festival, it's our emotion. This is a 4-day festival where we worship sun for providing ultimate source of energy, and we offer prasad called Thekua to sun, even the rising sun and the setting sun. So that's the unique point. Like Hindus, just all over the world, Hindus pray rising sun and we pray setting sun too. And Indian cuisines, I mean, this is the, I can start feeling hungry. We have 40 Indian spices, and in America we have just 2, a black pepper and salt. When I sleep at night, honestly I dream for those foods, and I'm really wishing to go to some Indian restaurants. And for us, the litti chokha and makhana are the most famous dish from our state. Even the Bollywood actors come to our state to taste that food. CMU experience, yeah, when I came here, of course it was so challenging for me. I was just thinking that would I be able to sustain in this environment or not, in the American education system or not. But yeah, I sustained, I am performing really well, I am participating in all the activities in this campus, I am making every day new friends. It's my target for every day. I want to make a new connection. Now I am worrying that I have to go back to my country, and I don't know I will be able to meet these people again or not. Yeah, but you people are really awesome, so welcoming. Thank you everyone. Thank you for providing this opportunity, and thank you Global ULAT program, thank you World Learning, thank you CMU for changing my life. Thank you.